Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and then select Apps and Notifications. Following that, click on Notifications over here and then select App Notifications at the top. Now you can tap on this little icon next to All Apps and choose the best option for you, or apps turned off. Lastly, just tap on one of your apps and click on this switcher at the top to block notifications. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same, now grey one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!